Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a sports logo on the Mockitup application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the logo option next to the t-shirt button at the upper side of the screen, and in the featured section scroll down and you can find it the sports logo options. Here select a template and new you can edit. If you want to change the text on your project, click the text box and tap to the edit button. And new, go to the keyboard icon, write your text, and if you finish, click to the done button. In the font section you can find the different font type and just select an author and click that. And if you want to change the color of your project, click to the color section and select an author color. If you want to change or add different graphic elements and pictures to your project, go to the graphic option, and in the sidebar section you can find graphic elements, and in the photo section you can upload images from your device. In the doodle section, select a color and new you can draw on your project. And if you go to the brush section, you can find the different objects and elements, and for example, click to the stars and new you can add stars to your project. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.